Okay, so we're looking at simultaneous equations. We will look at the basic, and then we'll look at quadratic simultaneous equations. Okay, so first one, we will try to make the x values the same, the coefficient of x values. They're already the same, so we don't have to. Just take it away, take away, always take away, take away. That does y take away 4y. That makes it 5y equals minus 10. Y is divided by 5 is minus 2. Then what do we have? 3x plus y, which is technically a minus 2, equals to minus 4. You add on a 2, 3x is equal to, sorry, 3x is equal to, what do we have it now? Sorry. Yeah, 3x is equal to minus 4 at 2 is minus 2. X is just minus 2 over 3. Okay, now some people would like to do it with the y value, the coefficient of y value the same, but we'll just do it with x for now. Okay, we'll follow that through. So just to make sure x value coefficients are the same, so always take away 3x, take away 3x, that goes away. 1y take away, that makes it 5y. Minus 4 minus 6 is minus 10, divided by that is minus 2. 3x, I'll use the first equation, always is easier. 3x minus 2 equals to what number? Minus 4. Add on a 2 on that side, add a 2. So if I go how to cancel it, add 2, add 2. Actually, you know, I'll write like that, it's fine. Add 2 to cancel it. 3x is what? Minus 4 add 2 is minus 2. X is just minus 2 over 3. You do not need to use a calculator to do it in decimal. If it's a fraction, leave it as a fraction, it's fine. Okay, so your answers are here highlighted, just highlight them. Good. Next one. So the x value, so it's 3 here, 2 here, so times is by 3, times is by 2. That will give you what? 6x minus 12y equals 57. 6x plus 10y equals 2. Sorry, 1 times 2 is 2. Take away, take away, take away. What do that happens? So minus 20 2y equals 57. Take away 2 is 55. Y is what is 55 over minus 22, and y is what? Minus 55 divided by 22. Minus 5 over 2, or minus, you can use a calculator, that's fine, not a problem. Minus 2.5. Okay, so when I say don't do decimal, like, you know, for example, this one will give you minus 0.6666 recurring. So don't do it like that. Just if it's a whole number decimal, which it most likely will be, then you can put it through, not a problem. Next bit, substitute on that. 2x minus 4 times minus 2.5 equals 19. When you multiply 2x, minus 4 times minus 2.5 is plus 10 equals 15. Take away 10, take away 10 to cancel. 2x is 5, x is just 5 over 2, which is also 2.5 anyways. Just okay. Next one. So those are your answers there. Ta-da. This one, they give you this equation, work out the answer, it will be 1 mark wherever they meet. Literally here. Okay, because it says use a graph, don't sit there doing simultaneous equation out for this. It is technically simultaneous equation, but using a graph. So that, for example, I can see is 2.1, 2.2, 2.25, x is 2.25, y is minus 1, minus 1.1, minus 1.2, minus 1.3, roughly. Minus 1.3 is fine. Okay, just very close enough because it's quite hard to read on this graph. It's okay. Next one. This is an easy one because it just would be a 1 mark question easily. Okay, what is the answer for the x value? X value, x is minus 2, y value is what number? 4, you could tell. Done. Next one. Times here by what number? Times it by 3, times it by 2. That makes this 6x plus 18y equals 15. 6x minus 8y equals minus 24. You take away, take away, take away. That cancels. 18y take away minus 8y is 26y equals minus, sorry, 15 minus what's that? 39. Y is 39 divided by 26 is 1.5. Then we'll pick the first one. Yeah, and we'll do it. 2x plus 6 bracket 1.5 equals 5. Well, 2x, 6 times 1.5, that is 9. equals 5. How to cancel? Plus 9 minus 9. 2x is minus 4, x is minus 2. Okay. Next one. Times here by 4 times here by 5. That makes it 20x plus 8y equals 44. 20x plus 15y equals 30. You subtract. What do you get? That cancels. 8y take away 15y minus 7y equals 44. Take away 30 is 14. Y is 14 divided by minus 7 is just minus 2. 5x plus 2 times what number? Minus 2 equals 11. 5x, 2 times minus 2 is minus 4 equals 11. How to cancel minus 4? You will add 4. 5x is 15. X just makes it 3. Next one. That's technically 1x anyway, so times it by 1, times it by 5. Times it by 1 is technically the same thing anyways. 5x plus y equals 21. 5x minus 15y equals 45. Take away. That makes it 16y equals 21. Take away 45 is minus 24. Y is divided by that is minus 1.5. Then let me rewrite it. 5x plus y, which is minus 1.5, equals 21. How to cancel minus 1.5? You can add 1.5. 5x is 22.5. X is 22.5 divided by 5, which is 4.5. Okay, those are your answers. Right, last one on the normal question. Times here by 4, times here by 5. 20x plus 8y equals 44. 20x plus 15y equals 30. And you take away. That cancels. Minus 7y equals what's that? 14. Y is 14 divided by minus 7 is minus 2. Then it's 5x plus 2 times minus 2 equals 11. Then 5x, 2 times minus 2 is minus 4 equals 11. Add 4 to cancel. 5x is 15, x is 3. Right, the next one would be, so quadratic simultaneous equations. Okay, so you would always make sure you will try to make x or y the subject from here. If I make x the subject, you have to divide it by 2, which is too long. Just try to make the y the subject, whichever the easy one. Okay, so in here we will make y the subject. Y equals to move it 5, and minus 2x become plus 2x. Then we will resubstitute it. What is it? So x squared plus, instead of y, what do you put? 5 plus 2x squared equals 25. Oh, let's see, what is it? 5 plus 2x, if you square it, 5 plus 2x, 5 plus 2x. That gives you 25 plus 10x plus 10x plus 4x squared. So that will give you x squared plus, how much is it? 25 plus 10x in there. That makes it 20x, remember. Plus, what was it? 4x squared. Bring the 25 in, minus 25 equal to 0. How many x squared? 5x squared plus 20x. Plus 25 minus 25 can go away. That's equal to 0. Now, this is not going to be a double bracket. This is a simple normal question. What is common number? 5. What is common letter? X. Take x out, plus 4. So 5x bracket x plus 4 equals 0. So there are two answers according to this. X is either, because it's 5x, technically there's no number next to it, so technically 0, or x is one number, minus 4. Now, if x is 0, y is equal to 5 plus 2 bracket 0, which will make it 2 times 0 is 0 anyways, 5. And this one, y equals to 5 plus 2 times minus 4. Y equals to, plug it through, what's that? 2 times minus 4 is minus 8, 5 minus 8 is minus 3. So you go a set of answer here, a set of answer here. Okay. Next one. In here we would like to make x the subject, which makes it easier. So 1 plus 2y becomes minus 2y. So n instead of x, that's what you write. So what do we have here? 2x squared. So 2 bracket x is what? 1 minus 2y squared minus y squared equals 17. So what is 1 minus 2y is? Let's see, 1 minus 2y, 1 minus 2y squared. So like that. 1 minus 2y minus 2y plus 4y squared. That is realistically what? That's 2 bracket 1 minus 2y minus 2y minus 2y is minus 4y plus 4y squared minus y squared equals sorry, bring it in actually, yeah, bring it in, minus 17 then, isn't it? Equals 0. Times it by 2 is 2 minus 8y plus 8y squared minus y squared minus 17 equals 0. 8y squared minus y squared is 7y squared minus 8y. 2 minus 17, which is minus 15, equal to 0. 7 times 15, factors of what? 105. Factors of 105 will also be 7 and 15. To make minus 8 minus plus 7y plus 7, 7y minus 15 divided by 7, 7 divided here. Y add 1 and 7y minus 15 equals 0. So according to that, y equals to what number? Minus 1, or y equals to positive 15 over 7. Then you replug it into this equation, the one that you made the subject. X is equal to 1 minus 2 bracket minus 1. X is equal to, that makes it plus 2 in the middle, so 1 plus 2 is 3. Y equals to 1 minus 2 bracket 15 over 7. Y will give you, just plug it down a calculator anyways. Minus 23 over 7. So this is a set of answers, and this is another set of answers that you do. Is that okay? Yeah. Good. Next one. So this is also a simultaneous equation because they say both of them technically intersect. They have one, show that it's a one, they have only one point, common point. Okay, simultaneous equation, that means make some letter the subject. So if you look at it here, there's no point in making the x the subject, is 5x. Just make the y the subject. So y equals to what is it? Move the minus 5x is the other side, 5x plus 4 goes minus 4. Made it. There you go. Now what happens? You resubstitute it. Y instead of y on that one, you write 5x minus 4 equals what is it? X squared plus 3x minus 3. Instead of this y, you put the other one. 0 equals x squared. 3x minus 5x is minus 2x. Minus 3 at 4, which will give you plus 1. Factors of 1 is 1 and 1 minus 1. So 0 equals to x minus 1. X minus 1. So the answers are technically x is equal to 1 because the other answer is the same. Show that it only has one common point. X is equal to 1. That's it. 1 common point. You can work out the y value just for the sake of it. 5 bracket 1 minus 4. Because 5 times 1. So it's technically 1 comma 1. That's your common point. So that's the point of intersection anyways. Right? Next one. Same thing. They both is tangent. So if it's tangent, it has only one solution. That's what it means. Okay. So make x the subject here. So x is equal to what is it? 10. Not minus 2y. Move it plus 2y. Substitute it here. Instead of x, what do you do? 10 plus 2y squared plus y squared equals 20. Then what do we have? 10 plus 2y. 10 plus 2y. That will give you 100 plus 20y plus 20y plus 4y squared. That will give you what? 4y squared plus 40y plus 100 plus y squared equals what number? 20. That will give you 5y squared plus 40y. 100 minus 20 is 80 equal to 0. You have to divide everything by 5. So that will give you, sorry, let's just write it here. Y squared plus 8y plus 16 equal to 0. Factors of 16 that makes 8 is 4 and 4 plus 4. So it's y plus 4, y plus 4 anyways equal to 0. Y equals to minus 4 because the other answer is the same thing. And it's only one solution because it's a tangent. We will, just for the sake of it, we'll do the other coordinate as well. 10 plus 2y it was. That's what we made the subject. X is equal to 10 plus 2 times minus 4, which is x is positive 2. So 2 comma minus 4, that is your coordinate. We write this as coordinate because these are to do with coordinates. The other ones we write them as answers, like Okay. Okay. I'll do 20 first, then okay, I'll do this, the last question first. It's a bit easier, and then I'll go into the harder one. Okay, and that will make more sense. Make, of course, the y the subject. Y is equal to 13 plus 3x. Some people like to write 3x plus 13. Doesn't really matter. X squared plus y squared is 13 plus 3x squared equals 25. Or 13 plus 3x. 13 plus 3x. If you expand it, that's 169 plus 39x plus 39x plus 9x squared. That will give you x squared plus 169 plus 39x 78x plus 9x squared minus, bring the 25 in, minus 25 is equal to 0. That will give you 10x squared plus 78x. 169 take away 25 is 144 equal to 0. Then I should always see if I can divide anything by a number. Yes, I can divide it by 2, right? So that will give you 5x squared plus 39x plus 72 equal to 0. 5 times 72 is 360. Factors of 360, that makes 39. Well, 15 times, 360 divided 15, what is that? 24. So 15 and 24 plus 15 plus 24, 5x plus 15, 5x plus 24 divided by 5 equal to 0. 5 can divide that. X plus 3, 5x plus 24 equals 0. Okay, actually. Okay. X is minus 3, or x is what? Minus 24 over 5. Where is the one I made the subject? There, y is 13 plus 3x. Okay. Y equals 13 plus 3x. 3 times minus 3. Y will work out to be 4. Y equals 13 plus 3 bracket minus 24 over 5. Y will work out minus 7 over 5. Okay, so those are your answers. So from here, then to here. Simple. Okay, let's look at the question that we missed out, which is this 20th question. So if you look at this question, which letter do you make the subject? 3x or 4y? Or technically both have an issue where, you have to divide one of them by 3, the other one by 4. Okay, but if you look here, x squared is the easy one. The minus 4x squared, you have to multiply it by 4. That is not even a problem, but you have to times it by a negative, you make a mistake. So probably better off sticking to the x. So 3x, so we'll make the x the subject then. 3x is what? 7 minus 4y divided by 3. The whole thing, just divide. So x is 7 minus 4y over 3. So instead of x squared and that, let me change this actually. Yeah. So instead of x squared, what do you write? 7 minus 4y over 3 squared, okay, minus 4y squared equals 9. Okay, this is the hardest it could get. Just make sure you know how to do it. So what about 7 minus 4y bracket 7 minus 4y? If you multiply, that will give you 49 minus 28y minus 28y plus 16y squared. And what do you think, what happened to the over 3? We'll do it later. 16y squared minus 28 minus 28, which is minus 56y, plus 49 over 3 squared, which is 9. Take away 4y squared equals 9. How to cancel the over 9? Times everything by 9, times it by 9, times it by 9. that cancel. 16y squared minus 56y plus 49 minus 36y squared equals 81. What do we have? 16y squared minus 36y squared minus 20y squared minus 56y plus 49 minus 81, bring in, of course, equals 0, minus 20y squared minus 56y. 49 minus 81, that's just minus 32, equal to 0. First, let's times everything by negative 1. So positive 20y squared plus 56y plus 32 equals 0. Now, am I allowed to divide it by a number? Yes, I can divide it by 2. So that makes it 10y squared plus 28y. I should have divided by 4, isn't it? Alright, let's divide it by 4 because I don't want to keep dividing it again and again. Okay, so 5y squared plus, what's that, 14y plus 8 equals 0. 5 times 8 is 40 factors of 40. That makes 14 is 4 times 10 plus and plus. 5y plus 4, 5y plus 40, that's a 40, divided by 5, we'll divide over here. 5y plus 4, y plus 10, y equals minus 4 over 5, or y is what number? Minus 10. Okay, then you have to find the x value. Where's the one I made the subject? Here it is. 7 minus 4y over 3, this one, right? X is 7 minus 4y, 4 bracket y minus 4 over 5 divided by 3. And what is x is? 7 minus 4 bracket minus 4 over 5 divided by 3, which will make it 17 over 5. And x is equal to, what was it? 7 minus 4 bracket minus 10 over 3. 7 minus 4y. 7 minus 4y over 3. That's, what's that? 7 minus 4 bracket minus 10 over 3. That will give you x is 47 over 3. And this is your other set of answers. And here, for that, and that. There you go. Okay, so always do it exactly the same method. Don't try to change anything. Okay. Yeah, that should do.